boots on the ground, sweat in my eyes, another mile down under these skies.
Right, so just casually walking down a path and we found a beast. Ah, he's my new mate. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
So just on the way to Watermill Waterfall, on the path down there, if you look up, you'll get to see White Nancy. Just up there. Just the top. We'll have a track up there though after.
Me complete. Ancestors whisper in the wind, keep moving forward, never resign. Muscles scream, but spirit soars. This is what I came here for. Not for glory, not for fame, just to honor the old flame. Breathing heavy, heart like war drums. Feel the power as the storm comes. I'm a Viking on the trail, blooded stone will never fail. Climbing higher, burning bright, born to conquer, born to fight, born to fight.
So just on my way up to White Nancy, just having a look. To be fair, it's a bit early, but like I say, if you just get stuck in, you'll be fine. It won't take you that long, do. Well, it's alright. See you at the top. Keep going. Fucking stairs. And there she is, your little beauty. So, made it to White Nancy. If you like my video, just give us a thumbs up, even subscribe. Thanks for watching.